Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y70 and I'll show you how to enable or disable Smart Assistant on this device. So first just let's see that this Smart Assistant is activated. Just click next, I agree, allow here. And now with a swipe to the right side we can see that this feature is activated, and if you want to turn it off you should slide it with your fingers at the same time to the center and then click here on the right down corner to the home screen settings icon. Click here once and you will see here Smart Assistant switcher. Just to turn off this option, click here once on the switcher. Now it's turned off. We can check and see that's just really not working. If you want to turn it on again, go by the same way to the settings and click once again on the switcher to activate the Smart Assistant, and now we can see that this works successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.